Okay, OpenAI has added a new tool to the Sora platform called Storyboard, and this is a great addition to the platform. Now you can specify what needs to happen on each scene of the video. You can even specify the duration of the scene in the video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show how you can use this amazing storyboard tool in the Sora platform, and also a few tiny features that you might want to use when you're using the storyboard feature. Now let's navigate to Sora, and in this case, I'm using the desktop web version of Sora at sora.chatgpt.com. And after that, you can log into your ChatGPT or OpenAI account. And after that, you can click this storyboard button. You'll see an interface that looks like this. So again, basically you can specify the scene, the who, where, what happens, etc. Now in this case, I have this scene description that I created using ChatGPT. And by the way, if you are interested, I'm going to provide the template of this prompt in the description down below, so you can use it perhaps for your future Sora videos. So for me, I'll just copy the result. Let me just do it quickly, and then later I'll explain the other features that you can access in this storyboard tool, because there are some of them, and unfortunately some features are just not quite intuitive. And don't worry, I'm going to explain that based on my experience and testing. Okay, we are at the scene 4, and finally we are at the last scene. Now here, okay, there are a few tools or features that we can utilize. So here, if you click this button, it essentially lets you upload a photo, but it is actually used for a starting frame. So that's the function of this button. And next to it, it is actually an instruction. So if you're not quite happy with the scene description that you have, you can tell AI to maybe improve the description or something like that. So you can use this to make your descriptions to be a bit better, perhaps more detailed, etc. So you can use this AI tool to help you improve the way you describe the scene, but this is completely optional. Now you can also select the orientation of the video. It could be vertical or horizontal, and also you can select the duration of the video. And speaking about the duration, you can also control how long the video really is. So you can put your cursor above the duration, and then you can maybe remove or add some number, and it will affect the duration of the scene. Now in this video, I'll stick with the 15-second duration, and basically when you're done with all of the settings, you can click the create button and just wait for the Sora model to start generating a video based on your video description or scene descriptions. You can see the progress right here, and it will take quite some time given that the duration is more than 10 seconds. So usually it will take double the time. So I'll just give a watch and I'll show you the result of this scene description. Okay, so the video has been generated. So let's take a look. This is video, and I'm going to play the video now.
Here you go. Here it comes. Why did Santa's helper see a therapist? Because he had low self-esteem.
Okay, I would say it is indeed able to follow the instruction or the description of the scene, although to be fair, the description is not very good to begin with, and there are some problems that I could notice. But hey, that's why we have this another AI tool where we can ask AI to improve or fix some problems with the scene. So I think you will find some benefit of using this particular feature to fix the description of your scene. But other than that, that's essentially how you can utilize the storyboard feature in the Sora platform. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.